Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through the two methods you can use to upload videos into YouTube using your phone. The first method is using the YouTube Studio and the second method is using the YouTube app itself. So we shall start with the YouTube Studio method since it is the easiest. The YouTube method, it somehow takes a small procedure, but it's just simple since it will also load us back to the YouTube Studio. So let us get started. So in order to get the YouTube Studio, in order to carry out this exercise, you need to get into your phone App Store or Play Store, then search for YouTube Studio, then download it and then open it. So when you open it, in order to upload the video, you just need to click this add icon in the upper right hand side of your YouTube Studio interface, and then you need to select the video which you need to upload. Like in my case, it is saved as the movies, it is here. But now, because this is somehow very simple to upload using, we shall get into this interface using the YouTube icon, which is here. What we need to do, we just need to click this U icon, which is here. Then click view the channel. Then we need to come to where we have this analytic icon here. Then scroll downward. Then get in-depth analytics and advanced control with the YouTube Studio app. So you just get to YouTube Studio just using that method. It's more like the same, but this one is so long to get to that interface. So I would recommend the first method. It is simple and direct to the point. So let us get into the interface. Now we are here. So it have taken us to YouTube Studio. So hope I do not misbehave. Then from there, you remember we said we click this addition button. Then we get to our correction. So when we get into our correction, what we need to select, we need to come to where we have movies, movie, and then select the video which we need to upload. So this video which we need to upload is just a video telling us how we can be able to delete our Facebook account permanently. So in order to upload this video, you are supposed to have a thumbnail and then create the title in advance. So don't be thinking about the title when you are writing it here. You need to have already thought about the title which you give your video when you are creating this video. So in order to generate a very enticing title, I didn't reinvent the wheel. I used the Meta AI which have been provided by YouTube, or it's just like ChatGPT, but it give us some tips to create a very enticing title. You can see my title. It is how to permanently delete Facebook account 2025 guide. So I just take this title. So I just write it, but you can copy paste it. How to delete. Let me see how to permanently delete. How to permanently delete a Facebook account, then 2025 guide, then close the bracket. Then I need to give the video a description. So in order to give this video description, I will just come here in the meta, then I will download all these description, then click this three dotted icon and hit copy, then get back into my YouTube Studio. So it's just so simple. With the help of AI, everything is possible. You don't need to have any background knowledge about these things. Then delete the title, delete unnecessary information here. Then you can come to where we have title, remove the title, then scroll, remove this is unnecessary, remove the unnecessary part, and already you have your description with you. From there now, we need to select the visibility of our video. After writing our description, we need it to be public. We don't need it to premium. Let me cancel. So you need to select the monetization. So I want to turn on the monetization. So I am not selecting if I want I want the ad to place. So location, I will avoid it. Playlist, I will avoid it. Altered content, my content is not altered. Then I don't need to add any playlist. I allow video remixing. I can allow it. Allow video. I just want to allow it. I don't have problem with it. Altered content is not altered. Comment, I want to receive all, even the negative ones. So next, Is this video made for kids? Technically, no. Everyone can watch my video. No, it's not restricted to children. I don't need to restrict the age. So when you click this one, you can be able to restrict your video. Maybe, yes, restrict the video to viewers over 18, or no restriction to my video to viewer over 18. So it's good. I don't want to restrict anybody. So I don't publish this video immediately. You need to change the visibility to first release the video before releasing it, because in case there is any error, you can be able to correct it. Just click change the visibility. I want to change it to, I want to schedule my video actually. I want it to remain to public, but I want to schedule it. So I want my video to show on 25th. And I want to change it to be shown from 5, 15. Okay. Then I don't want it to, I can change, you can change it to show from private to public. So this is from private to public. Then, so when it is private, the people who can visualize it are the people who have the link. And then it will move from private to public, or from members only, people who have bought the membership, to public. But I maintain it from public to private to public. It's good. Then it's good now. Then we can now upload. So the video will just take some minutes to upload, and after uploading now, we can, so it is uploading. So let us give it some second to commence the process. Then we shall add some thumbnail, and then close our job, and say, hooray, we have been able to upload this video into YouTube using our Android phone. So my internet is a bit sluggish, so you bear with me for now. I'm using my secular data, so that's why it may be slow in some case. So processing will begin shortly. So let us process it to HD, high definition. So let's give it time. So as it is processing, we can click here where we have the, let me show you. You click here above the video, it will take you to this interface. When it takes you to this interface, just click this pencil-like icon, or we call it a customization icon. Then you can come here, click above it, then download thumbnail. In order to upload a custom thumbnail, we use this one, and then click done. Then we can save it. So this is our YouTube thumbnail. So this is the eye-catchy thumbnail, which will catch the eyes of the audience in order to watch our video. So this video is checking for restriction, so only 20 minutes remaining, but it will take less than that. 20 minutes is a lot of minutes in YouTube. They are more efficient, so it will just take less than that. But because I rarely use phone to upload videos in YouTube, so I learned today how you can do it actually. I have never used my phone. I have been fond of using my computer to do it. But it's good to learn how to do it using your phone, so that in case you don't have a laptop, due to the cost of it, and everybody has an access to the smartphone, you can be able to do it. You can see restriction, none. And this is how we upload video into YouTube using our phone. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and also to hit the subscribe button, so that you will not miss out any of our future rolling content like this. Thank you, and may Almighty God bless you.